Ladies and gentlemen, with us we have the lovely Prabhu, looking amazing as always. Prabhu, first of all, we got to know that it's your first, experience with SIMA this year. How excited are you about it?
Very excited. In fact, I always wanted to go, but then unfortunately, it never happened. And of course, we know that past 2 years, nothing is happening. So this year, being the 10th year of SIMA, 10th anniversary, it's happening in my hometown. Nothing like it. I'm very excited and thrilled. What's happening inside.
Okay, if I had to pick 5 stars from different industries in the South that you would like to take, or maybe take with you on a tour in Bangalore, who would those 5 stars be, men and women included?
Okay. 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 This question is very difficult to answer. Okay. Let me tell you my favorites.
Before that, I'll just break it down. 5 people from different industries in South, men and women included, and which are the places you would take them to in Bangalore on a tour, or yeah, just to take them out of wherever.
Okay. First of all, I think if I call all five, I would not take them anywhere because you know how the traffic in Bangalore is. So I rather take them to some resort and actually chill with them. So one would definitely be Fahad Fasil. I love him. I love his movies. Then it would be Kamal Hassan sir, and then it would be anyone from our industry as well, like
Any industry, any industry in the South.
yeah, I want to take a veteran actor, Anand Nag sir, and then
We are not hearing names of any women.
uh, women. Yeah, I mean, like I love Deepika. She's from South, but not doing any movie right now here.
This has gone on another tangent here.
And apart from that, I think Trisha. Yeah. Am I the choices were boring? No, right?
Woo, how can you say they're boring? They're definitely not boring. I think those are very interesting choices and answers. Okay, now you've not given me the name of the place you take them to. You said you take them to a resort. Okay, fine. What food would you introduce them to?
I would definitely introduce them to a few cuisines here. Especially, there is this Vidyarthi Bhavan here, meant for dosas. I think every southern Indian states have their forms of dosas. Vidyarthi Bhavan is one of its kind, and that's very authentic here. It's a Bangalorean dosa, so I would think I would take them there.
Okay, so dosa wins for Prabhu.
Yeah.
Safe bet.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was lovely interviewing you and wish you all the best and wish you have a great experience in your first SIMA. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much.